everyone, in this video we will see how to assemble Corundum grinding wheel to the BSG 20 India Drill Resharpening Machine. For assembling and mounting Corundum grinding wheel, we will need wheel flange, Corundum wheel, 2.5 mm Allen key, hook spanner, M5 grub screw and 10-11 open spanner. Now we will do assembly of Corundum wheel. For that, we have to take the wheel flange, insert the wheel flange from back side of the wheel, and tighten it with the flange nut manually with your hands. Now take the hook spanner and tighten it again. This will ensure proper fit of the wheel flange on wheel. As you can see, wheel is fitted on the flange. Now we will assemble the wheel on the motor shaft. M5 grub screw is needed to be inserted with the corundum wheel. There is a threaded portion on the wheel. Identify the flat surface on the motor shaft such a way that M5 grub screw can be tightened on the flat surface. Make sure that there is a little gap between wheel guard and wheel to avoid the accidents. So you can see the wheel is assembled with the motor. Ensure that you fit the wheel cover and there is a gap between the outer cover and the wheel. Ensure that it should not touch the wheel. Manually rotate the wheel to ensure that it isn't touching anywhere on the wheel guard. Then only tighten the nut with the help of open spanner. It is very important to ensure that wheel is rotating without touching anywhere on the wheel guard. Corundum grinding wheel has been assembled. Thank you.